In the 1970s, love did not need filters, just a moment. Every glance mattered, every step felt like a destiny. Now imagine creating this level of cinema without a film crew. This is Higgsfield Cinema Studio. No backup, no second chances. Every move decides who survives. It ends here. What you just saw was created entirely in Higgsfield Cinema Studio. No camera, no crew, just cinematic intent. This is the Higgsfield Cinema Studio's desktop. We have image option and video option. In image option, we have different camera movements, start and end frame, generate multiple angles. And for video, we have start frame, end frame, camera movements. This makes cinematic video generation so easy. For the video generation, you have different options of controlling moments, and also for the image, you can take care of camera, lens, and focal length. You can create cinematic shots for your indie projects, start with a strong frame, and extend it into your videos. First, we're going to create the image using different camera settings. And now the image is ready, and we are going to save the image. We will use the same image as start reference for the other video that we're going to create. Now we're going to create the video, start frame. We're going to upload the image. It's ready, it's there now. And now we're going to set the timing and generate. Look at that amazing result. You can also create movie trailers, capture epic cinematic tension with dynamic camera moments. Create YouTube B-roll. Give your videos that cinematic polish with proper lens selection. You have a lot of settings to choose from. This is a product commercial that I created, showcase products in cinematic style with hyper-realistic detail. You can also create plan shots for movies before filming with real camera profiles. You can create music videos, add emotional camera moves to enhance storytelling, which makes it amazing to all the song creators. You can check out all their plan. The link is in the description. You can choose basic, pro, ultimate, and create a plan. Just make sure you know what you need, and you can choose any package that suits your needs. All this with discounts. Just check them out. Thank you.